me, John, coming back at you for another review. I escaped Batman's cave earlier today. Today I will be trying out some Big Munch Wise food truck favorites. It is called Beef Barbacoa Tacos, whatever how you say it. If you could read it, that means you know what it is. Alright, jelly beans. I'm going to rip this puppy open. It says northeast of the border down below. Oh my. Alright, let's rip this open. Ooh. Chemical heavy. Alright, smell it. Open your mouth up and take a bite. Silly jelly beans, you can't do that. You're in a camera. Alright, my sister requests a smell. Here. Hotel life.
Alright. I got it.
Would you like to smell?
Ew. You smell video?
Yeah.
Oh.
Alright. Here's what it looks like. Of course, you know what a potato chip looks like. Oh, God. So chemical heavy. The smell of it. See if you can smell any better. You can't take any. You're in a camera. Alright, here we go.
Try it. Definitely know us.
No. No.
You're both saying no. You're not going to give me a try.
Ooh, no.
Heck no, I'm not trying.
That's spicy.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. Oh, God.
Back in the bag.
Spice is starting to kick in.
You gotta eat them.
Super chemical heavy. On my point of view, I do not recommend these.
John, Ted said it smells like an armpit and a butthole.
Together.
Whatever armpit and a butthole smells like, I do not know.
Oh, shit.
And my mother cursed. She said, "Oh, poopy," because it's raining outside.
Watch your shoes if you get off.
Ugh, that smells so bad.
So I go out there and
It
smoke
tastes
with
so bad.
myself.
There's some spice coming in here.
Oh, that's good. Alright.
I give that a fat 0.
0.
Sister
Good
gives it a
spice
0.
flavor, though.
Spice is there, but
Good
the
kick.
kick is there, but the chemicals are too strong. I just don't like it. Thank you all for watching. If you like, please like, subscribe, share, follow me on Facebook. Link is down below. Have a good day. Peace.
Bye.